welcome to Dana Crosby's Tool Time. Well, I was in Walmart, of course, and I decided, well, I'm going to walk down through the tool aisle and see what attracts my fancy here. Well, I've got my other trusty scissors here that I've used for everything, and they're getting a little worn out, and of course those are like $6. And I saw these, and these are like heavy duty, and of course they're Stanleys. So let me use the other scissors to open up the Stanley scissors. And they say they're special scissors, stainless steel blades, long life. I still got my safety glasses that got magnifiers in them. And they separate for cleaning. Bimetal handles. They've got, let's see, bottle opener in the center. I don't know why we're using bottle openers anymore. A pry pick, which is number 3, which is one of these. Again, bottle opener. The center section, 4. And then, again, pry pick. Looks like a screwdriver there. They say they come apart for cleaning. Got a serrated blade there, and 2 regular blades there. You actually use one as a knife. Together. Got a nice grip for somebody who's got a large hand. And there's a serrated knife, and then you got your regular cutters. Does a good job on. You want to be out in the front because it gets caught in that section there. Might be wire. Good for wire cutters. They're sharp. 10. These are like 10.50. So definitely industrial, and you pull them apart for cleaning. So there you go. This is Dana Crosby's Tool Time, and that is the Stanley scissors. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. Catch you on the next Dana Crosby's Tool Time.